Today we install a Uber and a Doordash printer for this pizza shop. So for the Doordash, it's very easy to connect it. So firstly, you connect your internet cable to your modem and put the power on. After that, you turn on the machine, press this button 2 times, and you will see the IP address here. And then go to your Doordash, click setting, click printer, and then click printer here. Now it's already connected. You will see TM30, then click it, and it will connect it. After connected, it's done. So just try the order before.
Look at that.
So reprint. And our machine also can link it to the